Hello everyone.
Longwe Thwala is the son of renowned music producer Senzo Meyiwa and has been named as a suspect in the death of late Bafana and Orlando Pirates captain Senzo Meyiwa, alongside with the singer Kelly Khumalo. The Sunday World publication exclusively disclosed that despite months of searching, authorities have not been able to find Longwe at his addresses. Longwe was implicated alongside with Khumalo on charges of common purpose, conspiracy to commit murder and the murder of Meyiwa. Kelly Khumalo was Meyiwa's girlfriend at the time of his murder, and Longwe was dating the singer's younger sister Zandile. According to an explosive affidavit obtained by Sunday World, Khumalo and Longwe learned that Zandile and Meyiwa were reportedly conducting an affair behind their backs. The affidavit stated, "I can also state that at certain times, Senzo told me before he died that Kelly was using her sister to monitor him. He actually told me that Zandi would stay with him in the unit and move with him whenever he went at the instruction of Kelly. He told me he ended up having an affair with Zandi and started sleeping with her behind her sister's back." The affidavit, deposed by a close friend of Meyiwa, known to the publication. In the affidavit, the friend also stated that he was informed by Senzo that there were significant problems between Longwe and Senzo, and that Longwe started suspecting he was sleeping with his girlfriend. Days before Meyiwa was killed, Longwe made several phone calls to Khumalo, and this is according to police inquiry. The leading investigator in the Meyiwa murder case, Brigadier Bongani Geninda, stunned the country last week when he testified in the trial that one of 5 men accused of killing Senzo Meyiwa, Moses Sibiya, made a confession statement on the 30th of May 2020 in which he implicated Khumalo as the person who gave them instructions to kill Meyiwa. Geninda went on to say Kelly Khumalo had mobile phone linkages with the suspects as well. Colonel Lambata Stein of the National Cold Case Investigation Unit testified before the court last year, stating that Khumalo had spoken with at least 2 of the accused before Meyiwa's death. This week, Geninda also revealed to the court that Kelly Khumalo's phone contained a picture of a cash in a plastic bag, identical to the one discovered on Tobisi Mncube, one of the suspects. The publication disclosed that Longwe's phone contained the identical picture of the money bag. Following Meyiwa's death, Khumalo and Longwe supposedly conferred with the Sangoma regarding purification. A court-submitted affidavit from the Sangoma stated that Khumalo and Zandile conferred with her shortly after Meyiwa's shooting death. Furthermore, according to the Sangoma, Khumalo's mother brought Longwe to her a few days later when Thwala was purportedly saying that he was being bothered by a deceased person. According to Geninda's testimony, communication records between Khumalo and her sister Zandile from early 2013 showed that she wanted to get rid of Meyiwa. The statement said, taking that into account, inferences can be drawn that she meant killing Senzo. Geninda applied a warrant of arrest for Khumalo in early November 2020, but the NPA didn't approve it. Chico rubbished allegations that there was a warrant of arrest for Longwe and said there's nothing like that. Police would have informed me if they wanted my son because they know where he is. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.